Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use your Wise digital card in store. Now, if you don't have the Wise app already, go ahead and install this in your App Store or Google Play Store. And then let's go ahead and log into our app. Now, for us to go ahead and use the digital card in store, we need to go ahead and add this into our Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. To do that, all we need to do is go into card right here. If you don't already have a virtual card, be sure to go ahead and watch another video that we have on this. Now on this section, you should be able to see add to Apple Wallet or add to Google Wallet if you have the Android version. So just go ahead and click on this and then select the device that you want to go ahead and add this to. And then just make sure that this is the correct card. Once that you are happy, just go ahead and click on next. And then this will go ahead and confirm the addition of this card. Now go ahead and read through the terms and conditions, and then once that you're happy, just go ahead and click on agree. And then if you want to go ahead and use this as your default card, you can go ahead and click use as default card, or if you want to go ahead and use something else, you can just go ahead and use and click on not now. And there you are, you have added your wallet into your Apple Pay or as a contactless. Then you can go ahead and use this in store. Now, if you want to go ahead and use this in store, you can go ahead and use this for contactless payment. All you need to do is to double click on the power button and then just go ahead and select the card itself. And then you can go ahead and start using this for your in-store payment. And there you are. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.